When I was young, my mum once said to me that when 9 out of 10 people say yes, sometimes someone needs to say no.
So you're saying it's not belt-driven?
No.
This innovation started with no. Think about it. Are you satisfied with the washer in front of you? No. Is it quiet? No. Is it mostly fault-free? No. Is it energy efficient? No. Why? Because of the belt and the pulley. Do we need this belt? No. Do we need this pulley? No. How about attaching the motor directly? Directly? It might just work. I'll call the researchers, call the developers, call the designers. Let's make a prototype. It doesn't work. Yet. Let's try again. Still not quite right. Let's try again. We made it! But it was just a dream. No! Prototype. 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 Do we give up? No. Every failure brings us closer to success. Let's try again. Finally, it works. Yes! Yes! This changes everything for millions of people. Is the noise reduced? Yes. Is the vibration decreased? Yes. Is the durability improved? Yes. Does the world appreciate the direct drive? Yes. Will you keep thriving in the future? Yes. We're already headed towards the next innovation. Does 6-motion mimic hand-washing motions? Yes. Does AIDD reduce fabric damage? Yes. Energy efficiency? Yes. Let's begin from no. LG's Tech-No-logy, LG Direct Drive Motor.